Okay. Yes, can you touch? Okay. Which flavor? Wait.
Pineapple ketchup.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, which flavor? Wait. First you tell me which flavor you want. There is blueberry. Forevermore?
Strawberry or blueberry?
Strawberry and blueberry. Okay, fine. Strawberry and blueberry, okay? Yes. You want to confirm? You have to click on the tick mark. See how it's going round and round, round and round. Can you see that?
Wow.
Wow, it's going round and round and so big. Wow, see how it's going to shape and design it. See, look. Look, it's shaping. It's giving you the shape of the design you selected. Yes. Wait. It will come. Fianch, look. It's blue and pink. Here it comes. Take it, pick it up. Say thank you. Show me. Hey. Bite it. Take a big bite.